Let me show you the way that you can search for tracks inside of SoundCloud. Whether you're trying to search for particular songs or even search through artists, you can click on the search bar on the top. And as I said, you can either search for tracks, songs, or even artists of the songs that you're trying to listen to. So for example, if you search up an artist, it's also going to give you different suggestions that you can go into. You're going to see the exact artist profile that you just selected. And if you scroll down, you can see all of the songs that you can play. Now, if you want to directly search up a song, you can also do that by typing the song title inside of this search bar. So that's all there is in searching for songs or tracks inside of SoundCloud. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.